Welcome to Indie Radio Newsreel. I am Prajakta and you are listening to the news updates for 22nd August 2024. Here are the international news updates for today. Thailand confirms first Asian case of new Mpox strain. Thailand has announced its first confirmed case of a new, potentially deadlier strain of Mpox, the first in Asia and the second outside of Africa. According to Thailand's Department of Disease Control, the infected 66-year-old European man arrived in Bangkok from an unnamed African country on 14th August. He began displaying symptoms the next day and immediately went to hospital. It has since been confirmed he has contacted Mpox and in particular the strain known as Clade 1b. At least 450 people have died from Mpox in an outbreak centered in the Democratic Republic of Congo, which started last year. Taliban government enacts vice and virtue law in Afghanistan. Afghanistan's Taliban authorities have announced the codification of laws detailing rules of behavior and lifestyle based on their strict implementation of Islamic law. The 35-article law, published in the official gazette on July 31st, establishes prohibitions already generally known in the Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan, the Taliban government's formal name of the country. But its enactment could allow for increased control of the population. The Taliban government recently said the morality police will play an increasing role in enforcing religious laws in Afghanistan. 3 Palestinians killed in Israeli attack on occupied West Bank. 3 Palestinians have been killed in an Israeli air attack on a house in the Tulkarem refugee camp in the occupied West Bank, the Palestinian Ministry of Health said. The raid was reportedly ongoing 12 hours later in the congested area, with sounds of explosives and gunfire heard and drones flying above. The aerial attack on Thursday came as Qassam Brigades, the military wing of Hamas, said that fighters from its Tulkarem battalion clashed with Israeli soldiers in the camp and detonated explosive devices targeting military vehicles. Now to the national news stories. Assam government tables bill to abolish existing Muslim Marriage Divorce Act. The Assam government today tabled in the assembly a new bill to repeal the existing legislation regarding registration of Muslim marriages and divorces in the state on the ground that it had the scope to allow child marriages in the community. Assam Revenue and Disaster Management Minister Chogan Mohan tabled the Assam Repealing Bill 2024 aimed at abolishing the Assam Muslim Marriages and Divorces Registration Act 1935 on the first day of the autumn session of the assembly. In the statement of object and reasons to move, the minister stated that earlier legislation was adopted by the British government prior to India's independence, where it was not mandatory to register Muslim marriages and divorces. SC questions FIR delay in Kolkata rape murder case. The Supreme Court questioned the West Bengal government about the 14-hour delay in filing the first information report or FIR related to the rape and murder of a 31-year-old trainee doctor at RG Kar Medical College and Hospital. CJI D.Y. Chandrachud also raised concerns about the former principal of the medical college, asking who was in touch with him. The CBI claimed that senior doctors at the Kolkata hospital, along with the victim's colleagues, requested a videograph indicating that they too suspected a cover-up. It also claimed that the government did not register the FIR, but the victim's father insisted and got it registered. Explosion at Andhra factory that killed 17, caused by inflammable solvent leakage. The massive explosion at Essentia Advanced Sciences factory, located at Achutpuram Special Economic Zone in Andhra Pradesh Anakapalli district, that killed 17 people on Wednesday, was not due to a blast in the reactor in the factory due to high pressure. It was because of the leakage of a highly inflammable solvent that leaked through the pipe and caught fire, a preliminary investigation by the factory's department revealed today. Director of the factories, D. Chandrasekhar Verma, conducted a preliminary inquiry into the immediate cause of the explosion in the factory and submitted a report to the authorities ahead of the visit of Chief Minister N. Chandrababu Naidu to the factory premises in the afternoon. Thank you for listening to Indie Radio Newsreel. For more news, audiobooks and podcasts, stay tuned to Indie Radio or log on to www.indiejournal.in.